President Yoweri Museveni ahireyo kaburoko obwo abire n'amariro urugendo rwo kushomesa abantu okwakubasa kwebingaho obworo omucyange cya Lango. President akoze isomo gishogo kurabura abantu okurekeraho kushisha ebyobuhangwa.
The government will support you to do fish farming near the wetlands, but not in the center of the wetlands.
Government birumi yichwak mayini gwoko rej ibut chunkulu entope yi chunkulu.
So that you get much more money.
Mewe hinuong siente aduong ukarokare.
That will save the water in the wetland.
Mono bino konyawai gwoko korpi ametie chunkulu.
And we shall use it to irrigate the other land.
Umuchangechi ataireza district ezirumu apa Amolata, Albutonga, Dokoro, Kole, Atuke na Ayam kandi ashabira abantu okagira program za PDM.
Today, I just wanted to mention those 4 words to you.
Dong pininati nanabino meloke ruwang melang we hakobe we chwila ngwen. Amoya ikoba ngwen no.
First of all, Kuch.
Mea chiel Kuch.
And its importance.
Kere berere.
The second, Donglobo.
Mea rio te bedo Donglobo.
The third one, Lonyo.
Mea dek te bedo Lonyo.
The fourth one, Teach.
Mea ngwen te bedo Teach.
So that you become disciples, you preach the gospel yourselves.
Orutayaayo President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abirashendekerezibwa mukazuwe Janet Kataha Museveni honor minister obwegyese n'ebyemizano.
And the people of Aleptong district warmly welcome you to our land. Your visit to Lango sub-region is not only a privilege, but also a testimony of your commitment to the development and transformation of our communities.
Apoyo chwako Omuneneserezo. Apoyo unu chwako President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Akwayo umeme de kere chwako NRM kere President Museveni nakai. Iera May 2026.
Akwende orutayaayo rwe abembezi ba NRM n'abamemba ba NRM bahingwize President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tubahaburwa okwesimba hatine cya kanisa okwate bendera ya NRM mu karwa ke 2026. Gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.
Of gender to remain there, let it be captured.
Finally, I thank you for endorsing me.
Mea giki ya miredo apuowo pe uni moko tamuni mwatutumia rio ya bishel parime NRM dokela ilek.
The matter will be discussed by the SEC and NEC and the National Conference.
Gasha kwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.